Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with April couponing and review. It's the last day of April. I know this video barely gets any views, but they're honestly my favorite ones, probably out of all of them to make. This is like the biggest motivation video because it's me actually seeing like the results of my couponing. Like, is this really worthwhile? I have tracked down how much I have spent, how much I have saved, how much cash I spent, what I got, how much net cost, all that. It's been a really eye-opening experiment to see how much you really are spending per month with couponing, and it's amazing. It truly is amazing. So I'm really excited we're going to get to that. If you want to see how I've done in other months, because I've actually been doing this since January, click the little line in the top right corner. You'll be directed over to that because you just don't want to miss it. You really don't. So I'm really excited. So let's just dive right in. I did quite a few hauls this month. How many was it officially? I know I have done 13. That's a lot of couponing for 1 month. 13 hauls. So yeah. But let's just dive right in and see what I got for the month. And doing a preface, this is not like grocery hauls. You will see groceries thrown in that worked into Ibotta bonuses, but I count couponing and groceries as a separate kind of thing. I try to save money on groceries, but it's not as easy as it is on this kind of stuff. So for my couponing tracking, I just track how much I spent on couponing deals for the month. Now, let's say I went to Kroger and stocked up on those canned tomatoes. That's not in here because that's not grocery. I mean, that's grocery. It's not necessarily couponing, if that makes any sense. So that's how I look at it. It's not, I know it's probably not very good. I should try to track it all, but that's not how I look at it. I saw someone do a video on that they don't do their couponing budget and grocery budget together, even though they are kind of interchanged with each other, but it's just, you know what I mean? Like, it's easier. Couponing budget is for Ibotta hauls and like paper goods and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I do in here. Oh, and if you're here for my post, or me just talking about goals and you could care less about this, fast forward to around 15 minutes and that's where that is. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. Okay, so here it was an enormous Ibotta haul to, is this April 1st? Let me see what day it was. Yep, April 1st at Kroger. 113.17 was retail. Out of pocket / net was a 54-cent moneymaker. And that is all thanks to those legs, like tights. Those were an enormous moneymaker. So that was like a glorious deal at Kroger on the clearance rack. And then those speed sticks, that was free after the coupon. Oh, the Neutrogena. The beech nut. Oh, the beech nut. That seems like an eternity ago, honestly, since we did that deal. On the beech nut deal, that was free for like 2 weeks. Oh, and we started out with that Zyrtec moneymaker. That was another good one. Tenna. Yeah, oh, that's right. I got the Tenna with those pharmacy book coupons, the Glycerna, the toothpaste. That was a really great mega sale. So, 54-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed the Butterfingers on the other cards that my family lets me use. I went ahead and grabbed the Butterfingers on their cards. So I went out a couple days later and did another big Ibotta haul. Apparently, plus I got one more Zyrtec that was hidden or something. It's also in there. Retail was $61.99. Net and out of pocket was 96 cents. That's an awesome deal. And I'm sure the bulk of that was taxed. What do we got? Oh, the Persil, and that was 25 cents. That was a great one. The Horizon chocolate milk, that one was phenomenal. I should have never started buying them because now my mom's like addicted to them. That cat food had a free product coupon that they sent. Polygrip. I don't remember the deal on the Polygrip, but that's awesome. I love getting the Polygrip. The Snuggle. That was a big one through the month. Those Snuggle with the Peelies. That was a really great one. So after this big haul, Ibotta decided to lock me. They were doing a review on my account. So I was locked for a week. So I'm still amazed that I wound up with all this stuff. But I did pick up the RX bar. It was my free Friday, and there was a 55-cent Ibotta. So it was a 55-cent moneymaker. I still did that while I was locked, but I did no other Ibotta deal. Since I was locked, I was looking for some way to coupon, so I did do Walgreens. I'm not going to lie, when I see this out of pocket, I'm kind of upset with myself, but net price was a 25-cent moneymaker. My cash price was $1.72 was what I lost in cash on this stuff, which, not the worst, but Not that good either. But I guess I got 2 body wash out of it and a bunch of points. So it wasn't the worst deal. And those razors were a huge moneymaker over at Walgreens. That was awesome. And that cortisone was Walmart. Okay, so here's when I was unlocked from Ibotta again. And this is a week later, and I went out into this enormous haul. Now, here's where I need to explain the difference between out-of-pocket and net. So my out-of-pocket, I'm an accounting major, so I always think this stuff through probably too much. But out-of-pocket, that is what I lost in cash money in my pocket. So rebate money, that comes from the apps. When I deposit that into PayPal, it goes back in my pocket. So I count that as out-of-pocket. Now, I don't count Walgreens points back as out-of-pocket. I only count them when I use the points, if that makes sense. Net cost, I don't count it when I use the points. I count it when I earn the points. So I look at it in both regards. If that makes any sense. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. But yeah, so as you can see here, I earned, I did something at Walgreens. What did I do? Oh, the razors. I went back in and did the razors again. So my net, because I had a moneymaker, was more, but my out-of-pocket wasn't a moneymaker because I had to pay tax on it. So I did gain more store credit, but I lost cash to get the store credit. So I look at it in both regards. This is another huge bonus. Retail was $60.46. That was a good mega event at Kroger. That was awesome. Out-of-pocket, 92 cents. Net was 8 cents. There I found those pantyhose for $1 with a $2 Ibotta rebate. So I made $1. That was like those legs products have like made me so much money this month. It was awesome. Okay, I really hit up Walgreens a lot this month. Seriously, I went to Walgreens, did the razors again, and then the freezer bag deal was going on. That was great, and more Kroger stuff. Not a lot. What did I do? Oh, I was just doing level 2. Level 2, yeah. So anyways, as you can see here, net price was higher because I used my points to pay for the freezer bags. So out of pocket was 81 cents, which I'll gladly take for all that stuff. Net was $1.81. We needed those bags, so it was definitely worth it to me. Retail was $81.56. Who walks in and pays $81.56 for those items? That's just beyond me. But that is what that deal was, so I rolled points in. And this is the week I got no Ibotta bonuses at all. I don't know what that was about. I didn't get any for that entire week, but whatever. Okay, here, Kleenex wipes. This was awesome. I've gotten so many Kleenex wipes this month. I think I got a total of 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1. So 15 packs. These were on the Kroger Mega event. They were on clearance and it made them 49 cents. And then I had 50-cent coupons, so they were free. I got Mojo bars. Those were free after I bought it. Those still are. And then coupons.com app put up a free dozen eggs. So I worked that in the deal. This one was the one that was a fail in my mind. Not going to lie. This kind of was a fail. But I don't know why I did this. I went to the Dollar Tree and they had this is name brand detergent. It used to cost like $2.50 at Walmart. We used to get it for 50 cents all the time after coupons. Well, I think it's being discontinued. So Dollar Tree had it for $1. So I thought I'd pick up 4 bottles, which is a pretty good deal. And then I got 6 of these bags at Walgreens. They were buy one get 2 free at $2.79. So I rolled in 5,000 points. I rolled that in. So my out of pocket was $5.27, which I guess for all that stuff is not bad. Net was $10.27. So, yeah, retail was $28.68, so I guess it wasn't a total fail. Okay, so I didn't share this with you all, because this is like on a whim. This is Good Friday is when this one was. We had a really quick trip in there to get something for Easter. We had to be at church that night, so I was in a hurry. And ran across this amazing Blue Buffalo cat food deal. This was awesome. These were on clearance for $4.05. I think I shared this on Instagram. $4.05, and there was a $4 Ibotta. So I made them 5 cents. But there was a bonus if I bought 1 dry cat food and 1 cat treat, I would get an extra $1 back. And there was a $1 rebate on the cat treats. So the cat treats were on sale for $2. So I got basically the $1 bonus and the $1 rebate. So it made a bag of cat food, or 2 bags of cat food and a thing of treats, 10 cents plus tax, which is epic. I'm going to use another one of my free Friday coupons on the RX bar. The all detergent was just on clearance for $2.99. I had a $1 coupon and a $1 savings, stars to 99 cents. Mojo's again, and I got those Butterfinger and Crunch. Those were free after the digital. You'll see here, those are in it. I believe the next haul, I got a few of those. So this haul was Kroger and Walmart. And like I said, Kroger was just on fire last month. This month. that was just a mega sale. That we had 2 really amazing mega sales going on, and it's time for another one. But we have another week of this 5 times junk. I'm really not looking forward to it. But anyways, the Back to Nature items, those were free after Catalina. Or no, the cookies were 50 cents, which those cookies are legit amazing. And the crackers were free after the Ibotta and the Catalina. There was just another bonus I was working towards. I think it was $1 on... No, that was the week later. I don't know what this was. Let's go all that for free. The Mojos again. That one's been... I love that deal. The Cremette. The Once Upon a Farm. That was a great moneymaker. The Good Crisps. All that candy was a moneymaker at Walmart. And then Walgreens back there in the corner. I went to Walgreens a lot this month. And it was good to stop in there and do quick deals like that. I really should get into the habit of doing it more. The razors, that Oral-B, that was awesome. They were $2.99. We had that $5.98 off of 2 digital, so I paid nothing and got $2 from my Ibotta. Fordo, that worked out, and then all that So Delicious yogurt. So as you can see, here we have a variance again. Net was 60 cents, cash was $3.60. Or no, net was a negative 60 cents. Again, the cash was $3.60 because I didn't count points in Catalina's. I only count that when I use it, which you'll see in this next haul is why it was what it was. So I used that $2 Catalina in this haul. So it made my out-of-pocket $1.06. Well, net price, you can't count that Catalina twice. So it was $3.06. So it kind of just evens itself out in the end. But yeah, this was awesome. I got 5 reams of printer paper. They were on clearance at Walmart for 75 cents, but I utilized my overage for my Ibotta bonus. So that was a huge moneymaker. That was awesome. I got 8 of those Kleenex wipes for free after a digital coupon at Kroger, and I got the 7th generation dish soap for 29 cents each. I got 4 of those. I got the Colgate mouthwash moneymaker again. It was just amazing. More Mojos. I always get Mojos. I don't think that can reset for me anymore. I'm pretty sure I've done it the max amount. That was just such a really great Ibotta rebate. And then here was my last one from yesterday. If you hadn't seen that, my biggest haul I believe I've ever done. I'm going to have to update that because that's really annoying. Retail was $86.10. Net and out of pocket was a $1.90 moneymaker for all that stuff after coupons and rebates. That's just like, you can't beat couponing. You really can't. So negative $1.90 moneymaker for all that stuff. And a lot of that, I'm sorry for yawning. I didn't get much sleep last night. A lot of this stuff was attributed to those freebie product coupons. The La Tortilla Factory, that gave me $2 in overage. The Kodiak Cakes gave me $1 in overage. You actually can see this haul right now if you haven't. It's up right now, so you can check it out. What else gave me overage yesterday? Oh, the So Delicious gave me some overage. The Johnsons, that was a major overage, an overage maker there. No, not the Red Vines. I had the Pop Chips as a free product coupon. The Hostess as a free product coupon. The Char Wafers is another good money maker. So yeah, it took a lot of planning, but it was definitely a great haul. So that was all my hauls this month. Now let's take a look at how much I spent and how much I saved. Let's check this out for April. Retail was $649.18. Who goes and pays $649 for all that stuff? So in the end, after getting rebates deposited back in my bank, how much did I lose? I only lost $13.54 for all that stuff. And I know the bulk of it's tax. Now think about it. That's kind of, I know it seems like a lot, but I got like 8 detergents in there, laundry detergents, 9 things of baggies, a bunch of, 15 Kleenex wipes, 2 bags of cat food. Oh wait, I got another detergent in there too. All that random food, 5 reams of printer paper, 4 dish soaps, just tons and tons and tons and tons of stuff. It's just so amazing to see how little you can really do couponing for if you make it work. Oh, 3 poly grips in there, and those are expensive. It's crazy how much couponing really can save you. So I know my net cost was $14.37. So let's see what we've done all year. Retail for this entire year was $2,705.66. I've paid $70.68 for everything. For all this stuff, $70.68. That really puts it in perspective. Yeah, $70.68 for $2,700 and something worth of stuff for the entire year. And when you see, I'll actually come back. You can check out those other videos, but I'm going to come back at the end of the year, reflect on everything. You can really see, but that is incredible when you see all the stuff I've accumulated this year. That includes every laundry detergent, all laundry items, all personal care items, all household items, except for toilet paper is not always in there. Sometimes my family gets that somewhere else. But honestly, it's crazy. It is crazy. I'm thrilled with it. This includes all my paper towels, just everything. And I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled with it. So let's talk May goals. As you can see here, 13 whatever is a good deal. But also in there, though, that is 13.10 I could have kept. Now, did I get great deals? Absolutely, I got great deals. But for May is the time I want to sit back, reap the benefits, and only focus on freebies and moneymakers. I have enough detergent. I don't need to buy 9 more bottles of detergent. I don't need to. I'm stocked up. So that's what I'm really doing. I'm not going to buy things I have 1,000 of already. I'm good unless some crazy deal shows up on paper towels. I'm not going to get the paper towels. I'm just not going to unless some really great deal. If a really great deal pops up, I would get them. But don't think I have a lot. I have a lot of paper towels. So I'm really going to just focus on freebies and moneymakers after tax. Now that does include bonus hauls. So like let's say a bonus was 45 cents or something for the entire bonus. That'd count in there. Definitely would count in there. So I want to do that for sure. And another goal, which a lot of you aren't going to agree, is I'm staying out of the drugstores for this month. Yes, the drugstores are phenomenal places to get deals. But you know what I think about the drugstores? They literally guzzle tax. It's tax. That is what gets your out-of-pocket so high. Around here, it is 7.25%. And I don't care how great of a moneymaker Sun's going to be after points. If I had to pay sales tax on their ridiculously high prices, and you don't get those covered. Like CVS and Walgreens, you pay the sales tax. There is no out. So it doesn't matter how big of a moneymaker it is after points, you're still going to pay the sales tax. For some people, that is worth it because you can use as store credit and get things you really do want or need. For me, I have so much stuff, personal care, I don't need to go to the drugstores right now. I just don't. So that's where I am with that. Now, let's say Walgreens has some phenomenal deal on paper goods or laundry detergent or something. Yeah, I'll stop in for that. I'm talking about like when I did the razors. I would be paying cash to get points. And at this point, I'm just not interested in that. I'm really not interested in that. I don't need to do that kind of stuff this month. And I don't want to stock up on things that I already have a ton of unless it's free. Don't need to do that. I have enough detergent. Unless the detergent is free or like a quarter, I'm not going to do it. I don't need to pay $1 for any more laundry detergent for the month of May. Don't need to do it. So, my goal, can we get it to $5 this month? I don't know. It would be the best that I've ever done. It also would seem to be very, very, very hard. But how I calculate, if I'm doing that Johnson's, there is overage. So it would help as well. So I'm just for this month, let's see. Can we have $5 with tax? Maybe we can make this a moneymaker month, depending on how well I really do with this. We'll see. But that is where I'm at for May. I'm definitely not changing any of the hauls I do. Those are definitely all going to stay. I'm just going to be more intentional about the things that I'm hauling in. So that's where I'm at right now with couponing. I'm really, really excited. I'm getting back stocked up on things. It's awesome. And this is a longer video, but I really, really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. And let me know your couponing goals for this month. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching.